assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering. Yesterday we have discussed about this problem, evaluate integral over c z divided by z minus 2 dz, where c is mod z is equal to 1. So first step, identify the closed curve. So clearly mod z is equal to 1 as a circle equation with center 0, 0 and the radius is 1, right? So here we draw the diagram. So take one distance from x-axis and y-axis and draw the circle. This is our closed region, mod z is equal to 1. So second step, to find the singular points. To find the singular points, just equating the denominator is equal to 0. So z minus 2 are the denominator. So we'll get z minus 2, z equal to 2 is our singular point. Third step, check the singular points lying inside or outside the closed curve C, right? So mod z equal to 2, clearly the lying outside the circle C. So by Cauchy's integral theorem, we can say that by Cauchy's integral theorem, we say that integral over C f of z dz equal to 0. Therefore, integral over C, here our f of z is z divided by z minus 2 into dz is equal to 0, right? So next problem. So evaluate z divided by z minus 2 into dz and mod z is equal to 3, right? So first step, identify the closed curve. So here mod z is equal to 3. Mod z equal to 3 and here our center is 0, 0 and the radius is 3. So right hand side value 3, radius is 3. So now draw the diagram. Here x-axis and y-axis 2, 3, here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 and here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, right? So here center 0, 0, so this is the center and the radius is 3. So take 3 distance from x-axis and y-axis, here. So draw the circle, so 3 and 3 is here. So this are closed region with center 0, 0 and radius is 3. So second point, to find the singular points. To find the singular points. So to find the singular point, just equating the denominator is equal to 0. Here our denominator is z minus 2. Clearly z equal to 2 is our singular points. Next, third step, check the singular points. Check the singular points lying inside or outside the circle C, right? So clearly our region is mod z equal to 3. So the point z equal to 2 is lying inside the circle C. Therefore, z equal to 2 lying inside the circle C. Therefore, if singular point lying inside the circle C, then we can use by Cauchy's integral formula. So by Cauchy's integral formula, integral over C f of z divided by z minus a into dz will be equal to 2 pi I into f of a, right? So here a is a singular point. So now here 2 pi I into, we need to calculate, a is a singular point 2. So we need to calculate f of 2. So from this equation, so f of z is nothing but numerator value, right? So f of z is equal to, the numerator value will be z. So we need to find out the value f of 2. So f of z equal to z. So f of 2 value will be equal to 2. So the value is 2 pi I into f of 2 value will be 2. So into 2. So the answer will be 4 pi I. The integral over c z into z minus 2 into dz value will be equal to 4 pi I. Thank you.